As I'm telling you now, as I'm seeing you now, I'm seeing a change in your life. You went through a lot of things, and some of the things were so painful, a painful experience. But I'm seeing God beginning a new thing in your life. I see God wiping all the tears in your face. I see God causing you to laugh. You shall have money. I prophesy. You shall have a financial breakthrough. God is healing you from every pain, from every stress that you went through. God is healing you. God is giving you His joy. You shall be glad in Jesus' name. Lapha emsebenzini kahle kahle iposition oyiphethe manje fanele uphethe engaphezulu kwale oyiphethe. Angifuni mina umuntu ukumkhulumela.
Yebo uqinisile ngilinde next week.
Angizwa ba?
Ngamhla 17 njengoba belokhe prophet ayithi kukhona ababila bezoshintsha mhla 17 bengilinde ukuthi
umhla 17 kwenzakalani?
bekufanele banginikeze ipromotion yemoto.
And then kuba khona lama hiccups nyana akhona, kuba khona ama delays nyana, uhlala ama meetings sometimes awapheli, sometimes kubekwa ilanga le meeting makufanele I meeting ihlale, and then I meeting end up ingasahlali kufakwe I-excuse kodwa moyo ngicela isiza mina ngisiza abantu. Lalela uNkulunkulu manje right now kodwa kufika lelanga langomhla ka-17 your car allowance will be approved. Your promotion is coming as well.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Amen.